Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is day 8 in my 30-day challenge. The 30-day challenge is where you do a video and a blog post every day for 30 days, and you do it on a specific topic. And this topic is on how to start affiliate marketing. And this is the 8th day, and this section is on finding digital affiliate product offers. So anyway, it is a rehashed video that I'd done in the past. But anyway, if you haven't watched any of the other videos, you might want to go back and watch the other videos, so then you're not really lost. It starts out at the beginning from the ground up. So anyway, let's go in and watch that video, and then I'll be back. Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com, and this is video 8 in my training on affiliate marketing. And this training section here is going to mainly concentrate on finding offers in digital products. So let's get started. In this slide, we're mainly going to concentrate on finding offers in Warrior Plus. This whole section is going to be on finding offers in digital products. So anyway, the first two sections, I'm mainly going to focus on Warrior Plus and JVZoo, and then I'm going to focus on ClickBank, because Warrior Plus and JVZoo are very similar in ways. You have to be approved to promote the product in the individual network. Then you have to be approved by the vendor. Where ClickBank, you only have to be approved in the network. Then you got all these offers that you can promote. So they're a little different. There's other networks out there. I'll just name one, PayKickstart. You have to apply with the network and the individual vendor. It's an affiliate network. And anyway, we're just going to stick with Warrior Plus and JVZoo. And I'm just basically going to give you a rundown of the different metrics and what they mean, and basically a ballpark on how to find a good offer, an evergreen offer. There's another method that I use. And the one thing about Warrior Plus, we're in Warrior Plus right now, is the search is very picky. If you're wanting to search for a product, it has to be the exact words. Otherwise, it will not find the product. Now, JVZoo is not so picky. But anyway, up here, you got, you can search by offer title, keyword, vendor name, sort by sales, and then you got some filters here. And then here you got search. But anyway, you can search by pull score, launch date, sales, visitor value, average sale, conversion rate, and vendor. And you got the offer over here, release date, sales, conversion rate, visitor value, average sale, refund rate, and this is whether customer loved it. That's the visitor value. No, it's not the visitor value. But anyway, that's how the pull score, I think, is what they call it. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. And over here, you got the link if you're approved, and then you can request to promote it. Okay? And what you want to do is find something that is sold, number of sales, and these here are promoted offers. They're promoting them. So, I mean, you can look at them, but for what we're doing, we want to look at these down here. Now, some of these you got to be careful of in a way, because it's skewed data, because this has the number of sales, 14% conversion rate, but it doesn't, it's a free offer, see? They're just giving it away. And there's a reason they do that, but I'm not going to get into that right now. There's 0 refund rate, you know. So anyway, the metric that I always kind of tried to use with these evergreen type offers on Warrior Plus is I looked for something that had a good conversion rate, it had quite a few sales, and the average sale was over a certain amount, and it had a low refund rate. I don't really worry about the visitor value too much, and the release date, that makes a difference, but I'll get into that later. But anyway, the number of sales, the conversion rate, the average sale, and the refund rate. That's what you look at. So if you can find one that's got a lot of sales, a good conversion rate, I'm saying anywhere from 10 to 25% conversion rate, and the average sale is at least over $20, and it's got a really low refund rate, that would be a good offer to apply to promote for. I'm not going to go through all this too much, but anyway, if you just concentrate on the number of sales, the conversion rate being high, and the average sale being high, and then the refund rate being low, then that's an offer that I would consider to promote. So that's Warrior Plus. Now we're going to go into JVZoo. Okay, now we're going to concentrate in this slide on JVZoo and finding offers. So anyway, what you do in JVZoo is you go over to the affiliates and you go to find products. Okay, and the metrics are a little different on here than they are on Warrior Plus, but the search is a lot easier. Okay, it's not so picky. I don't know why Warrior Plus is so picky, but they are. So anyway, you got different categories here you look from, but most people use the Make Money Online network or niche and Warrior Plus and JVZoo. The one thing about JVZoo is software products go really well on JVZoo. The commissions are a little bit higher too. I think that people like the software products. The problem is you got to be a little bit careful because sometimes the products don't work like they're designed. And anyway, when you get to a certain level, then you can request review access, and you can find out if it's a good product or not just by reviewing the product. But anyway, the metrics here are the product name, affiliate, whether you're approved to be affiliate approval, launch date, number sold, conversion rate, EPC, average price, commission percent, and the refund rate. It's pretty much the same metrics as on Warrior Plus. You want to find something that's got a lot of sales, got a good conversion rate, a high EPC, and the average sale is over a certain amount. And down here's where you can request to be approved. They do their conversion rates a little bit different on here. To me, this looks like it would be a really good product to promote 2015 if it's still active. It may not even be still active. I don't know. Sometimes these products, they're like, I don't know, churn and burn products. They sell them and then they quit supporting them after they quit making sales. So you got to be a little bit careful with that. But anyway, it's the same metric. You're looking for high, low, high stuff, you know. Don't worry so much about the launch date right now. There's another tool or resource that I use for that. But okay, you're looking for something that's had a lot of sales, got a good conversion rate, EPC is high, and the average sale is over a certain amount. Okay? That's what you're looking for. You want a low refund rate. Low refund rate. And I can't give you the numbers on what those are because they all got to line up in a certain order. And if you find some that look good and then you look at the product, the sales page and all that, and it looks good, then that would be something that I would think about applying to promote for. But I'd be careful, and I'd make sure that the product is still active, because sometimes on here, they got products that are no longer active. They quit supporting them. So you got to be careful of that. So anyway, that's JVZoo. Now we're going to move on into ClickBank. Okay, in this section, we're going to concentrate on ClickBank. I don't do a whole lot with ClickBank. I have sold some stuff on ClickBank, but the reason for that is it's hard to offer bonuses on ClickBank. On the other networks like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Pay Kickstart, you apply with the vendor, and then you can add bonuses after you get approved right in there where you get the link from the vendor. So it's easy to offer bonuses. So when someone buys the program, there's a button there that says affiliate bonuses, Mark Dwayne bonuses, whatever. They purchase the program, they click that button, it takes them right to your bonus page. Where with ClickBank, you can't do that. You can put on there, in order to claim your bonuses, send your receipt to your email, and then you can send them your bonuses. But it's really, really, really difficult. And you don't know, I get so many emails, I don't know if I'm going to miss them or what, So I don't do a whole lot with ClickBank. If they would change that, I would sell more stuff with ClickBank, because there's a lot of high-paying, high-ticket items on ClickBank. So anyway, basically what you do in order to find offers is you go up here to the marketplace, and they got a lot of different offers. You can see them all over here. And I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm just going to give you a very, very basic rule on finding offers. You go up here, you go to search, and we'll just go affiliate marketing. You push search, and you're looking for something that has a high conversion rate, like this one, with a high gravity. Now, this has got high conversion rate, but the gravity isn't so good. Okay? So high conversion rate with a high gravity. So let's do this. We'll change this from keyword relevance to average conversion. Well, you can see this one here has got, see what I'm saying about high ticket? Look at that average conversion rate on that. But the gravity is only a 0.85. And what gravity means is that there's a lot of people selling the product. And that's good and bad. It tells you that people are buying the product, but it also can tell you that it's oversaturated. So it can be hard to sell because a lot of people have sold the product, they bought the product, so it's hard for you to sell. You also got some other metrics here. You got the initial conversion, which they call commission, is 44.33. It's a reoccurring rebill is 44.76. Rebills are good. The gravity score to me looks a little down. That means there's not a whole lot of people selling them, which can be good. And here's another one. It's got a high conversion rate, or commission rate's what I call it. You got the affiliate page, and then you go down here, and the initial conversion is 44.46. The rebill is 42.65, and then the gravity score is really low. So anyway, here's another one. High conversion rate. Average conversion on the initial sale isn't very high at all. And rebilling is 24.38. It's got a little bit better gravity. That means more people are selling it. But anyway, that's basically it. The other thing I look at when I look at these is I look at the sales page. Let's just take a look at the sales page. Okay. And most of the time, if it don't have a video on the front, I don't promote it. Video is so important nowadays. People are looking for a video. Now, this does not have a video on it, and I probably wouldn't promote it. I probably would not promote that. Let's look at this one. just because it don't have a video. See, no video here either. Unless that's a video. No, that's not a video. My internet's a little slow, and I'm not going to wait for this to load. See, no video. If it don't have a video popping right in my face when I click on it, I don't promote it. And I don't know how they've been saying, now this one has a video. Now, I don't like the looks of the sales page because I look at that very heavily. I can't believe that some of these products do as well as they do. This has got a video on it. But anyway, those are kind of some things that I look at. There's more advanced methods for ClickBank. And I'm not going to get into those because really I don't do a whole lot with ClickBank. You can narrow it down from average and to advanced search. And you can narrow the gravity down. You know, you put the keyword in there, include words from search, you know, a different category, you know, a number of results. You can really narrow this thing down. Country, all this stuff. You got all these metrics you can narrow it down to. So you can really narrow it down in ClickBank. But anyway, that's it for the ClickBank section. And that's it for this section. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, that was my video on finding digital affiliate product offers. So if you found that was interesting, you can check out the blog post down below this video or around this video, depending on where you're watching this at. Well, anyway, I hope you learned something, and I'll see you tomorrow.